did you think of that?
Oh
my God!
What? Yeah, but
Hey! Don't look too close.
Just take some clip. Oh, dude, it's gonna be so loud in here. What do you think? Better? Gotcha.
What's up, guys? My name is Raquel. Back at it again with another video. So, the Camaro shoots some flames now. So, I know all of you guys were super mad at me that I didn't show the outside view, but it does shoot some flames. So, I'm gonna show you some flames and some fire if TJ can get it right this time, because it didn't shoot last time. So, he's gonna do it, and I'm gonna stand behind it, I guess.
Out.
Let me see if I can do it. You want me to slow you up, all I can do it. It shoots a fucking flame when I'm in here.
You mean record it or no?
I mean, I can do the thumbnail. Hi. Subbing.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, what did you think of that?
Oh my
God! That was insane!
What? Yeah, but
Hey! Don't look too close.
Just take some clay bar, dude. I'm sure that
it's a 500 feet Camaro.
500. This is only like
it looks
30.
Good back here.
It looks good from Miami.
Like, oh, that's a piece of... Other than that, that's it for this video. Thanks, Cody, Morgan, TJ. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all platforms at Reckless.Raquel.